Hi, today I want to show you bar by bar demonstration for the first 60 minutes of a trading session on November 28th, and the strategy or method that I use is a bounce method. Basically it's bounce from 34 EMA, which is this gold line. Okay, so gold line is 34 EMA, and I'm trading MNAQ 2010. I use Bounce Trader. If you're interested in it, there's more info in the description. They mostly use buy close and buy above respectively, sell close, sell below. So here we're at open, and immediately, open is at pivot point, which signifies we're probably gonna have a larger move. So we're looking for if we have this blue angulation, we're looking for longs. If we have this yellow angulation, we're looking for shorts. So we're looking for a bounce from 34 EMA. We cannot enter here even though it's a bounce from 34 EMA because we have wicks here, we have blockages here, and we're going into the sign line. It's at 89 EMA, so we skip this trade. Now this is interesting. It rejects 34 EMA and it also rejects 89 EMA, so it's a compound EMA rejection. So I'm thinking if it's going to close above this bar, I'm entering long. So here I entered long, because this was a valid bounce from 34 EMA. I entered long by hitting buy above. So as soon as this bar closed, it automatically went long. Let's see what we have there. So our the scalper's profit is 2 bars. So I entered here, 1, 2 bars here. That would be the take profit, and the stop loss would be below 2 ticks below the signal bar. So we have one trade at the open. Here was another trade. This was the bounce from, it's a 8B, bounce from 8 EMA, because we're looking for R1 take profit. So I've got my scalper's profit. So I've got 2 trades. Both of these I took in the morning. So right now we are moving forward. Now there is no setup. Now we have CC trade here. Okay, but that's because this close will be below this high. So I've entered here as well, and that would be a good RM2. So I took that trade as well. Boom, and it's got our scalper's profit. It's gotten 2 bars and I was out. Okay, we're waiting. We got our 2 trades. So we are 936. Okay, we don't have a setup. Okay, yeah, actually here was another setup, but I didn't take this one. Kinda missed it because it's same setup as this one. So here was my 4th trade. This was a bounce from 34 EMA. We're angulating long, and I hit my buy close button, and it activated long position for me. So kind of bounced on me a little bit, but it didn't touch my stop loss. So it eventually it gave me the profit. So I entered here and I exited here, basically somewhere here, two bars from the signal bar. So that was the fourth trade, and here was the fifth trade. This is the CC that this was my last trade. So I got in here and I got my two bars and I was down. Now these CC setups, they're counter trend trades, so if you're not comfortable with them, that's okay. But 34Bs are always trend following trades. So by 9:45 I was done with 5 trades. As you can see, it's we have another setup here. There was another setup of the same basically thing as this one and this one and this one. Again, you can learn these setups in my free course. So now it's coming through the 34 EMA, but there is no reversal bar, so we skip it. That's exactly what I did. There was no setup. Now when we come over here, so here it's a bounce. Even though we were undulating long, we retraced to 89 EMA, and now we are having another bounce from 34 EMA, and we still have enough room for profit. It seems like it's going to retest these lows. It seems like this was an impulsive leg down. So I hit my sell close, and I wasn't trading here, but if I was, that's how it would work out. That's exactly what I did. So there was another trade right here. Okay, we're not doing anything here because we're looking for a bounce from 34 EMA. Oops, see, here is another setup, another 34B. Boom, and it's got our profit, 2 bars, and we're out. Now right here we have we're not I wouldn't take this trade because of all these wicks that are in the way. So we're moving forward. Now this is bounce into 34 EMA, so I'm skipping on this one. It doesn't meet the requirements, but it would work out. We're looking for a bounce from 34 EMA. Okay, here is a bounce. Here is a bounce, and but there is no room to take profit. I mean, we have these wicks in the way, so I would be hesitant on this one, but it worked out. Okay, so we're coming from a new low, and we are bouncing from 34 EMA as well as from 89 EMA, and we failed to make higher high. So I would have hit my sell close and I would enter here. Let's see if that was a good setup in my opinion. Yep, and see, we got our 2 bars and we got out pretty easily. So we are where it's 9:25 right now. Let's let's see if we're gonna get another setup. Okay, that's it. So 10:30, that's how I usually trade, between 9:30 and 10:30, and I'm mainly looking for 34B setups. So let's quickly say, so here's one setup, 34B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clean setups of just 34Bs, but here are additional setups that I teach in my course. So the strategy is very doable and very repeatable throughout the day, especially throughout the morning session. If you're interested, go ahead and learn about it. Like I said, it's free, and you learn these principles and apply it to any market you trade, because this bounce from 34 EMA is a pretty ancient strategy. It's outlived any other strategies, and it will continue to do so. So yeah, and when it's used with Ninjarenko bars, it's really amplifying the effect of the strategy. So yeah, hopefully that was helpful. Thanks.